Ang dream or panaginip, ito ang mga senaryo na ating nakikita sa tuwing tayo'y nasa mahimbing na pagtulog. Maaaring kasama natin ng ating mga crush, mahal sa buhay, o kaya naman nalalaglag ka sa malalim na bangin. Ang bawat panaginip ay may kanya-kanyang meaning, and dream is all about biology and science. Before we tackle that, may dalawang klase ng dream. And these are nightmare and sweet dream. Let's talk about first nightmare. When we encounter some irrelevant information, those irrelevant informations are the things that we don't want to remember since it is nonsense or walang kwenta. And those irrelevant information will eject or itatapon ng ating utak sa pamamagitan ng panaginip. The information and memories that we have are in the form of electrical energy, or also called as stimulus. Electrical energy or stimulus are transferred from neurons to neurons, and when they transferred information, they are now called as synapses. Sa tuwing tayo ay nananaginip, ino-organize ng ating utak ang mga information and memories na meron tayo. And ginagawa niya to, or brain do its job by removing the unnecessary memories or information that we have in our brain. Sweet dreams naman is opposite ng nightmare. Sweet dreams are the information and memories that you value, mahalaga sa iyo, importante. In other words, nightmares are memories or informations that are insignificant to you, while sweet dreams, these are the information and memories that significant to you. Minsan naman, kapag may nakikita tayong natutulog, minsan yung katawan nila stiff, tense, or hindi sila, parang ganyan-ganyan. Parang gusto nila gumalaw, pero hindi nila magawa. Ang rason nun ay nag-undergo sila sa sleep paralysis. Sleep paralysis happens when the brain is in the organized mode and the information in the brain are unuseful, so you dream those some insignificant memories that you have, and that's what we call nightmares. Kapag ang tao ay na-sleep paralysis and tinry niya maggalaw or mag-move, hindi niya magagawa yun kasi ang motor neurons ng kanyang utak ay naka-turn off or naka-disable mode. In the middle of process of transferring or organizing the information in brain, if the person tried to wake up, hindi siya makakagalaw kasi nga naka-turn off yung motor neurons niya. And yun ang rason kaya may ibang tao na na-sleep paralysis. Kapag nakaranas ng sleep paralysis, ang magandang gawin ay maging kalmado. Kasi mag-a-adjust pa ang katawan mo niyan. Hindi pa tapos ang pag-work ng utak mo sa pag-transfer ng information na dapat i-organize o i-segregate. So, we need to be calm and don't panic. Kasi baka kapag nagpanic tayo, may mangyaring masama sa atin. As I said earlier, we have different types of dreams. So first, let's talk about falling. Pag ikaw ay nananaginip ng nalalaglag ka endlessly or nalaglag ka sa higaan, sa upuan, ang pag-iisip mo ay undecided or meron kang mga thoughts na kailangan mong i-rethink. Kapag naman ikaw ay nanaginip ng nakahubad in public or you have sexual intercourse with someone else na hindi mo kilala, you are afraid of imperfection or takot ka na i-reveal ang sariling ikaw. Kapag naman ikaw ay hinahabol sa iyong panaginip, depende ito kung sino ang mahabol sa iyo. Maaaring tao na black, di mo kilala, or smoky lang siya na humahabol sa iyo, or animals. Kapag black ang mahabol sa iyo, tao na black or hindi mo kilala, maaaring ito ay mga childhood experiences mo na nag-traumatize sa'yo, tumatak sa isip mo, hindi mo makalimutan. Kapag animals ang mahabol sa'yo, it represents yourself. It means that you have secret or things that you don't want to reveal to someone. You keep that to yourself. Kapag naman teeth or losing teeth ang mapanaginipan mo, it means that you afraid of losing power, like takot kang tumanda or kaya takot ka sa bagong responsibilidad. May mga tao na ang kanilang utak ay active pagdating sa games. May experiment between control group and 2 weeks video game group. Control group, ito yung mga tao na walang interest pagdating sa games. 2 weeks video game group, ito naman yung mga tao na mahilig maglaro ng video games or ng kahit anong online games. The brain has some orange pigment spots. Those pigment spots are responsible in memory, reflex, and happiness of a person. The orange pigments in the brain shows that the brain is active or inactive. Our brain have front brain and midbrain. Front brain are responsible for perceiving the colors or identifying different kinds of colors that you can view. While in midbrain, it's responsible for coordination of brain or reflexes. The orange pigments in the brain of control group and 2 weeks video game group are similar and present. Nevertheless, after 1 week of experiment, the orange pigments in the control group are present, while in the 2 weeks video game group, onti na lang siya, malapit na siya mag-fade, hindi na siya nag-glow. After 2 weeks of experimenting, the orange pigment in the brain of control group are still intact, while in 2 weeks video game group, the glow of their orange pigments are slowly back. This happens when the threshold adaptation. When we overuse our brain, the brain will adapt the threshold adaptation. To avoid the death, the brain will shut off all of its area to survive, and this called as threshold adaptation. May mga magaganda ring dulot ang paglalaro ng video games. Kung 1 to 2 hours lang ang iyong paglalaro. Isa na rito ang reflexes. Your hand-eye coordination may increase. Also, the memory. The knowledge that you acquired while playing the video game will transfer to neuron to neuron. The visual perception naman, ito yung maliliit na bagay, pwede mong mapansin. And last is attention. Mabibigyan mo ng attention yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. Ang sobrang paglalaro ng video games ay nakasasama sa atin. Yung mga bad effect yan, maaaring lumabo ang mata, humina ang pag-iisip. Need natin na maging moderate lang sa paglalaro ng video games. Ang glial cells ng mga lalaki ay kaunti pa lang at the age of 1 to 20 years old. Kaunti pa lang yan compared sa mga babae at the age of 1 to 18 years old. Pero pagdating ng 21 and up, ang glial cells ng mga lalaki ay hindi na itong humihinto sa pagdami. So, mas lamang sila ngayon sa mga babae kasi ang mga glial cells ng babae at the age of 18, doon humihinto. Hindi na siya dumadami at the age of 19 and up. Kahit na kaunti or marami ang glial cells ng babae at sa lalaki, kailangan nating maging equal. Kasi hindi na uso sa panahon ngayon ang maging superior. Like, lalaki lang ang masusunod. Kailangan din maging patas tayo. Yun lang, and thank you.